Hi. Hello, my name is Geeta Ben. My ID is 33136508. So today I am presenting about the Kia forward-looking decision and the risk strategy. In this, there is the given about the table of content, everything. In this, we can see the here the introductions and everything mission statement about the Kia. Here the Kia revenue 2009 to 2024 and the Kia Motors wholesale vehicles is 2009 to 2024 given. In this, the Kia aim to improve lives with innovative and sustainable mobility solutions. The Kia company focuses on the eco-friendly technology and the customer needs. And the Kia revenue steady to grew from 2009 to 2024. In the 2024 is the peak, and in this the vehicle sales increase showing strong recovery 2020. Another here we can see about the importance of the risk management. In this risk management, here we can given about the company's market capital 2025, McKinsey and Company, everything. In this risk management, help prevent disruption, reduce losses, and ensure smooth business operations. It protect the company and the reputation, ensure to legal compliance and support long-term successes. In this, Kia continues to expand globally while adapting to changing market trends. Another is innovation and sustainability drive to long-term growth and the competitiveness. Another we can see here about the risk management frameworks regarding ISO standards and the Kia. In ISO standard 31000 is the enterprise risk management, and the ISO 27005 to manage cybersecurity and protect consumer data. In ISO 22301 ensure the business continuity, enabling to Kia maintain operations during crises such as cyber attacks and a natural disaster. Another here we can see about the recommendations. The Kia recommendation is standardized data, improve real-time telemetry, and strengthen MLA data quality to ensure reliable, safe, and stable operations. It enhances the cybersecurity, OTA protections, and governance to ensure the secure, compliant, and well-controlled decision making across the connected system. Another here we can see about the risk register overview. The Kia risk register data integration issues, telemetry failures, ML safety gaps, and the cybersecurity trends and the governance fragmentations. In this, the high risk areas are ML data quality, OTA, cybersecurity exposure, and fragment AI governance due to their strong impact on safety and decision making. Another is the regulatory and the compliance risks remain significant and automotive and data protection law continues to involve and the model drift present medium risks potentially regarding ADAS AI performance over time and without performance monitoring. Another is infrastructure scalability rise to create low but must be reviewed as the data volume increases, and the clear ownership is assigned to ensure accountability, effectiveness, and the risk mitigation. Another here we can see about the risk matrix. Here is the three color like green, yellow, and red. The risk matrix is one of the most important tools to access the rank risk according to their probability and occurrence and the consequence, and they detail about the decisions making and gives to the picture of the possible risks and degree and they will cause the organizations to lose. Another here we can see about the risk mitigation strategy. In this risk mitigation strategy, the strategy risks diversifies revenue streams through hybrid models to business free and the premium access. To the operational risks, use predictive analytic and the real-time budget monitoring to improve the efficiency and the control cost. And the compliance risks means to establish local compliance centers and the AI ethics commitment and to ensure the multi-region like detections and multi-region cloud redundancy and the strengthen to cybersecurity. Another is financial risks to apply hedging strategy to local currency pricing to manage exchange rate volatility. And another is reputational risks to conduct contency diversification and the transparency report to build audience trust. Another is the market competitive as to establish that strategy from the local partnership, diversification, supply chain, and just strengthen. And the confidential is to extensive supply chain monitoring, protected confidential information. Another here we can see is the business impact analysis. In this business impact analysis, we can see the AI automation system, that is the software controlling driving objective detections and the traffic evaluation recovery time 3 days. Another is equipment from the physical infrastructure. This is the hardware. In this equipment of physical infrastructure, the hardware supplementary battery manufacturing and AI operations recovery time 5 days. There is the buyer data. The buyer data is the sensitive customer information regarding the storage, data protection, recovery time 7 days. Another is the shipping supply chain network ensure continuity and the EV battery storage product delivery time 6 days. The customer support software. In this customer support software, the operation continuity data and the security experience. Another here we can see about the conclusion. In this conclusion, it is a slide about the depth overview of Kriya risk management, innovations, market resilience, and the introduction significant of the risk management, which is management framework, compliance of Kia to worldwide ISO standard, which is methodological approach and eliminate risks, especially in data protections and business continuity. Another is the strategy of Kia should be strengthened and data governance, machine learning, safety, and cyber security were defined about the recommendation sections and the risk management allow Kia to remain possible risks and it since in the risk mitigation strategy state of constant here another the metric slides and the focus on risks. High risks like red and to lower risks in green matters highlight the importance of timely decision making and dealing with such risks. In this, they highlighted the importance of protections and critical AI, automations and customers and advanced long-term reputation business continuity of Kia. And the same thing having the strong risk management plan. Another at the end we can see about the living of the people in the responsibility management constancy enhance minimization risks and hence the regulations allowed to form only to protect the business and also the preservative competitive advantage and the world automobile market. Here all are given the references about whatever in this the slides and everything. Thank you. वो वाला हो गया सर.